Afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. Bit later posting today. Obviously the builders have shut off and finished. I'll take you down now. I've been busy down there this morning. Literally just had a shower. I'm just gonna have a full English actually, so I'll quickly take you down there before I tick into that. And yeah, I'll just show you what I've been up to today, just clearing the site a little bit. Like I said, I think we are going down to Nampong on, where is it? The 11th, I think, to go down and pick up the some of the restaurant kit, some of the fridges, freezers, tables, chairs, all the cooking gear. So we'll be going down to get that probably on the 11th. So I just thought I'd do a bit of a follow-on post. Now, obviously, we've had most of the builders and all have sort of disappeared. And so I've jet washed all of this off today, both sides. So I've done all this side as well. We've cleared all this stuff out the way. This table and everything, I think that one will be going down the bottom there eventually, but Tom's just put it there now for a bit of shade. So, but it's settling quite well actually. It's looking great. We got it all shut up at the moment. Well, pretty much all shut up. But it's quite weird actually not being about with the builders not being here. So it's an easy. It's okay. I can do it. I'll do. Yeah, thank you. Shut that up. Yes, that's Tam's niece has just popped back on one of my bikes. Just shut that back up. So yeah, it's all looking a lot cleaner. It's all looking a lot better. So yeah, the 11th we will be getting all the bits and pieces actually from Nampong. It might take us a couple of days to bring it all up, but we'll see. And then Tam can actually start laying it out exactly where she wants it. Yeah. So I just thought I'd bring you down, just show you what I've been up to this morning myself. Looks a bit better now it's all cleaned off. I quite like to paint them, but Tam's not bothered at the moment. She just wants to leave them as bare. So you know, that's fine by me. It saves another job at the moment. So we're gonna just leave them as it is and go from there. So yeah, guys. Like I said, later on, I think I will pop down, if I get a chance anyway, and the weather's decent, I'm thinking of popping down to get the, I might get some drone footage actually, down by the river, because that will be another project. Not for a year, maybe 2 years, but I'll get some video footage of, well, some drone footage of the actual lay of the land down there, so you can actually see, you know, what we plan to do and what we going to do with this possible campsite. Some of you guys who have actually seen it before, I know there's a lot of new subscribers, and thank you everyone, all the new subscribers who've come to join the channel. Just want to get that in there now. But what we're going to be looking at doing in the future is probably doing like a campsite, just like a, you know, cheap little campsite. It's getting quite popular in Thailand now, camping. So we could do something like that and like have a menu down there with a QR code, which obviously we could just deliver food from the restaurant down to there. I'll whip down there in a bit. I'll take the drone and we'll stick the drone up in the air, and you never know, I might be able to get a cheeky beer sunset, and if I do, I'll share that with you. So yeah, we'll post a bit more in a bit. But yeah, just as I said, it's a bit quieter here now at the moment, and yeah, it's nice to have a couple of days of break and you know, just to chill. So yeah, we'll continue this post in a bit, guys. So stick with us and we'll continue the journey. Hi guys, well I thought I'd pop down to our bit of land where the river is, and I'll put the drone up, so stay tuned, and then afterwards I'm gonna have a sunset beer, and hopefully we're not gonna have any fires and stuff going on tonight, so I'll try and get a nice little time lapse of that tonight. Now I've where I flew the drone up to and brought it back is basically all the Thames land. Now the land goes further on out into the water, but the water level's still quite high, so but this is where future I'm thinking of doing a little campsite just over on that patch the other side there, because that never ever floods over there. So yeah, but I'm going to set it all up now, and I'll leave you with a nice bit of drone footage. Thank you very much guys for all tuning in and subscribing and following along with the restaurant build. Tomorrow we're going down to pick up a load of stuff from down in Nampong, so I'll take you along for that, and you can see the restaurant starting to take shape inside. So until then guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one. So take it easy guys, enjoy the sunset. Bye bye.